Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome
Welcome
back
back
to
to MAB
MAB Podcast,
Podcast,
Talk
Talk and
and
Chill.
Chill. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nadia Fienka. You can call me as Nadia or Fienka, and I'm from 11.1. And here is my partner.
And my name is Luki Amarifai, and you can call me Luki. And I'm from also class 11-1.
Okay, Lucky. Now, what is our topic for today?
So the topic that we will discuss is about the global
Global
warming.
warming. Okay. Did you know about what is global warming actually?
Actually, according to my perception, global warming is a condition where the temperature of Earth is become unstable and usually go higher because of things that we call it as gases.
Okay, so the process of global warming is about heat up into the atmosphere and it caused by several things, right?
Yes.
And that is about global warming make the temperature on Earth feel hotter than before.
Yes, that's right. And Nadia, can I ask you something about what is the most gases or several gases that the most contribute to the global warming?
The most gases in atmosphere that can cause global warming is carbon dioxide, and the several others is methane gas and also chlorofluorida gas.
So CFC is one of them, right?
Yes.
Where CFC came from?
The CFC come from is from the using of air conditioner as much than the using of the energy that can heat up the gas into the atmosphere.
Okay, thank you. And actually, I want to discuss about the methane gas. Methane gas is came from the food that we usually eat that is thrown away without clear it away. So methane gas, or we usually in the formula of chemistry called as CH4, is usually came from the food that we don't finish. So you must finish your food so that the environment still be clear because of the reduce of carbon, I mean methane gas.
All right. Besides that, there are several things that can cause the global warming, right?
Yes.
Like from the deforestation,
Mm.
I mean exploitation of the trees,
Mm.
and then the using of motorcycle.
Mm.
And do you know the other, Lucky?
I think the most contribute to global warming is like karhutlah in Indonesia. In English, it means the burning forest or forest fire. In the Kalimantan, there are cases that make many people has been or have been suffered because of things we call as lung disease because of gases that came from carbon dioxide.
That's right. And then the accumulation of the gas into the atmosphere because of several things. That is about the pollution of the trash, pollution of the motorcycle, and in the in the trash we have plastic waste.
Yes.
And people usually using plastic waste and using the ingredients that cannot be cannot be broke up or
Yes,
whatever
yes.
like that. And the pollution of this trash also caused global warming.
Mm. Okay, so Nadia, do you know if you are the government in this country, but the most plan or regulation that you should or government should do?
I think government should have a project that can uh, decreasing the decreasing the accumulating of gas in atmosphere. We should reboisation and also socialization to the people and explain them that global warming is very very very
high risk.
yes, and also danger for the earth actually.
So campaign of things we call as globalization or global warming is needed to solve the
Yes,
case.
that's right. And by the activity of people, it also can produce the gas that heat up to the atmosphere. And I think as a student, we should
Yes.
doing something that is relevant and can implementing to the daily life where it can decreasing the carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere.
Okay, it's good. Can I ask you something? You have you already contribute to what we call as reducing the global warming cases?
Yes, uh I actually already doing several things that is can reducing the gas maybe I don't know because I have learned to always using uh I think uh government already did but not at all.
Not all.
Maybe uh from the menteri itu apa?
Minister.
Maybe from the minister of uh
Lingkungan hidup. Kementerian apa?
hutan itu apa sih?
Hutanan. Forest.
From the maybe from the forest ministry and the other about the environment already did what should they action, but the other is maybe still not aware about the environment because not because kata aja ya because nya and if they're looking at our earth condition now is really at not good. And I think uh, as a student, we also need to do action. And what do you think about our action to realize about that?
You already said it before, right? About the 3R, like reduce the use of like plastic bag or something that contribute to the gases that make global warming, or even you maybe can use a tote bag or alternate substitute that can prevent you to producing more gases that really dangerous to environment. And then like recycle that you are when you have really many, I think, like bottle bottle of plastic, you maybe can use it as a pot or something like we usually got.
Uh, like maybe we can make the apa lupa ya
Kerajinan gitu loh, kerajinan.
handcraft
Nah, handcraft kayak jadi bisa nggak ya jadiin kayak tempat pensil gitu loh.
bisa
Bisa.
bisa
Itu yang jelasin.
craft pencil case.
Two times.
Bentar. Ini udah berapa lama sih nih?
Jadi gak usah, kita itu banyak skillnya paling gak apa-apa kan ya, di skip skip, biarkan editor yang bekerja. Iya. Belum,
Belum, Pak.
masih panjang, 31 jam pun sampai.
Um,
Habis itu apa, salah sendiri kalau nggak
oh ya.
kerekam, awas ya.
Accumulate the plastic waste. Maybe we can get money because there are something that came from plastic waste and it has the value of plastic waste. And based on the MIB environment, maybe there are still some students that are not aware to the plastic waste because they just throw it wherever is it, like they didn't think about the place. Even there are rubbish bin, right?
Yes.
And what do you feel, and how do you remind them about that?
So because I'm in from 11th grade, we usually came a problem. There are a person from higher class or higher grade do not follow what we ask for them. I think I felt kind of, yeah, I think they should have remind them own self because if their action still continued until in the future, maybe their own self will be felt the impact from their own action.
That's right. And if we can gathering together to build something valuable from the trash, it will
Clear. Clear.
enggak, bukan, aku lagi bahasa Inggris.
Apa coba tak main. Tak
Kelebihan,
kelebihan.
bukan,
Oh,
bukan.
bukan. Talent.
Ini, it will be an advantage things.
So actually, I want to ask about the things that we usually do and we usually do in Green Youth Movement 6 day. What
Hmm.
do the most and maybe like things that we do in Green Youth Movement class?
In the first day until sixth day, uh, I I always doing same things. Do you know what it is?
I think it's like writing from the Narasumber present.
Besides writing from the narasumber, I also pick up the tea,
Jadi, oh,
take a tea to my tumbler or in the class and bring back to the class, and it also remind me if we are more aware to the using of plastic, it will accumulate so many plastic that is dirty. If even not dirty, it's maybe
feel, feel.
it will fill the place. And in the first day, actually I feel not uncomfortable. It's not, but I just not relaxed because
Yes,
I'm not I'm not kan apa
extrovert,
sih?
extrovert.
I'm
So,
not extrovert as much in the Green Youth movement in the first day.
yes,
But then in the second day, in the third day, until the sixth day,
yes,
we are all gathering and discussing all lessons together, and it's really interesting things.
yes. We actually met really many friends in there, right?
Yes, we can get many friends from other schools, like from Sman Nisda and Sman Da.
Yes, we get many friends, and I'm also get a friend from SMK plus NU and SMK Telkom and Semanif Da or SMAN to Sidoarjo. So in there we spend a really
Great time.
great
That's
time.
a good time to know about environment. We already learn more about what is environment, what is a green action to the environment, and how is how is the way to preventing from a bad environment, and then we should implementing to the daily life, like we just studied there and we bring it to MIB environment. Is that right? And what do you what the lessons that you got from there and you bring it to MIB, and until now you still doing that?
So the most thing that I got from the Bebetas Perantas Sampean is I'm still using Tumblr until this day, and I'm also reuse what I'm usually produce. Like I'm using the kotak makan itu apa?
Lunchbox.
I'm using reuse lunchbox to bring my own food from home in school.
That's right. And in the sixth day, in the last day, in on Saturday, we are making eco printing, right?
Yes.
Eco print from the leaves and the flowers, and it's very nice. Besides that, in the afternoon, we we went to Mojokerto, and we are looking for many plants and trees there, and we learned many things from the plants, like from the apa apa ya, aku lupa, yang tanaman dikurung itu loh.
Iya, apa namanya tuh? Aku juga lupa. Yang
Like
ropi, cuman ropi.
like the kayu apa,
Wood.
ah. Like we study about a wood there and plants. Also, we are study about the plants that is growth from a jelly. Do you enter the place, the room of that, or you're not?
No, I think not. What is it? Actually, can you explain to me so that me and the viewers can understand what you?
I'm forget about the name about the plants that grow in the jelly, but it's very very sterile. If you want to entering the room, we should hand sanitizer and using a white clothes, like in the laboratorium, and the room is uh consists of three room in a long in a long room. Like, can you imagine that
Imagine.
three rooms in a long room?
So like 3 rooms in a long row. What is it? Columns. A row maybe lorong.
Yes,
Lorong
that's
bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
right.
Lorong bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Inggrisnya lorong apa? Iya dah. So so it's like 3 rooms in a corridor.
Yes.
Nanti. Ayo lu. Sampai jam 14.25 15 wis.
Habis ini, habis
Habis
ini.
ini. Tahan. Jangan sampai kepoin tapi.
And in that rooms is very very sterile. It consists of three rooms. In the first is we can make it as own our own plants from the jelly, from the uh plants, little plants, very very little, very very small, and it's put on the jelly, and then we can grow it by heat up from the oven, and uh there are uh a thousand a thousand plants in the rooms. So many plants there.
So in the Green Youth Movement, we are actually studied about biology, right?
Yes,
Especially
right.
the material about the woods like plants, the vascular of plants. Maybe can you explain me about what is epidermis?
Wow, I'm actually forget what is epidermis. even on the last day, I just studied about that. The epidermis is about the layer in a layer in outer of
Outer.
plants. That's
Yeah.
it.
So the outer of
Yes.
plants. Then what is the sclerenchyme? Sclerenchyme. What is this?
Jarang ini.
Ya jangan jangan. Okay, okay. I think it's enough.
Yes, I think it's enough
Enough.
about the topic of environment today.
Yes.
Uh, our message for who are watching this podcast is you should remind if our environment is very important for us. Like we should keep it or we should protecting our uh, environment to be good. If we are not, the atmosphere and the environment will be broken year by year. And what your message to them?
My message for those who are seeing this podcast, I think you should caution and care about the environment that we live in, because if you do not care about the environment that we that have been lived, we will be get the consequence or the impact on ourselves in the future. So stay green, everyone.
Stay green and don't forget to implementing 3R.
Okay.
That's all. Okay, I think that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.